Sheikh Samir Ali, Remika gratis Dhar, Rimeka gratis Dhar, Afrin Khatun, Parish Sharma, Pratik Paul, Wan Sapi ke Wanya, Pinaki Ghosh, Shitam Kumari Prasad,
Presentator Sultanat Raja Sendiri dan bersyukur ki Nongeram Jatuh Constituency Committee Nadu Presiden Maikwa Akiran Sujan Sekhi the Chairman of the Academic Excellence Award Program. He will be at the heart of the Constituency Committee. Kawan lagi unit prepare the heart of the Youth Wing, Babak pada Women's Wing of Shillong City UDP. I could take upon here my heartiest congratulations to all the awardees who are the reason for our getting together this evening. I congratulate each one of you and also extend my best wishes to your institutions and to your parents, your mentors and people responsible for your growth till you reach this point in your career. Ki nom hikmat Nabi Syukur Hingga Rasulullah dan di bala ahli terdekat di bala pada media. The excellence Kajilum Kensai Kaunde AA Kebahan burom system. Excellence should be a habit. Excellence should be a way of life. Lepas perkembangan ini, pemilum kita dapat bahwa Shillong kalau ke nucleus of education in the time Eastern India. Bagaimana bahwa berhata, but you can do like the one you crowd revolution pang anti kapag gerak ke mynsiem jona dari serong kalau berjanto bagi yung we are Shillong educated. Nada challenge sempat jui dalam pakumul intlak biar jaga wir ke state ke jui rakyat ni kenal jua Shillong kum ke education hub of the Northeast. So serong ba habami I hope very recognition. Itu excellence nasional idean stan nalaye lead by example. Today, after a gap of 5 years, we have revived this recognition given to outstanding students, which is why we have this year's academic excellence, honoring achievers in various examinations, and also personalities and youngsters who have made a mark in the fields of literature, music, etc. We have just heard Dolly singing to us. It is for the first time that somebody from our constituency has gone to perform at Istanbul on behalf of the Department of Arts and Culture, Government of Area. We recognize and believe in celebrating excellence. And to do that, we need to have leadership and a team of leaders who themselves are a living example of excellence. We live in very challenging times. Employment in what has been the traditional government employment has now reached a point of saturation, and therefore we are looking at avenues and possibilities and options at sectors apart from government and the secretariat building, which is why we have various initiatives: CM Elevate, MGMP, house facilities for creation of tourism assets. These are all targeted to create an economy that caters to those of our youngsters with a bent of mind that looks beyond government employment. So, Saranga, I think we don't do Shispa at home awardees. Kiba nakatawa sa Brazil, Joki, naroon naman trend system, naitan kong ka-message siya yung awardees. We would like to foster an ecosystem that supports, recognizes, elevates talent, creativity, and excellence. Our constituency, we're fortunate that we are here at the center of the state capital, and we have been abundantly blessed in terms of our educational infrastructure, road network, easy access to technology. A lot of these are denied to students from far-flung areas. You have to maximize these strengths, these USPs that we have as a constituency. Just recently, we discussed about the Media Education Grant as a project. And we find that in a good number of villages, we have schools where the teacher-student ratio is very poor. We have schools where infrastructure is almost absent. But these are things which here in the state capital we have long overcome. Therefore, there is absolutely no ground for any of us to complain and to put the blame on lack of infrastructure. Just 5 years back, I I was invited as a chief guest at one inter-school cricket tournament. The champion team was St. Peter's School. And when I handed over the trophies to the winning team, I asked each of those players from St. Peter's School about their place of origin. More than half of the team came from Bangladesh. That just shows the pride of place that Shillong has occupied as the center of excellence. We have it all. Despite the recent setbacks of the new, I can say with a sense of pride that when we were at new, our Department of English was rated as one of the top 10 in the country. Today we have the IIM, which is ranked number 7. IIM Shillong is ranked number 7 in India. Therefore, we have the infrastructure in place. All that is required is for our youngsters to take up this challenge and prove that with opportunity, with openings, with avenues, we are equally capable of seizing that opportunity and elevating Shillong far beyond the position that it used to occupy in the past. I would also like to say here that supporting and recognizing our young students with these awards is just a way of incentivizing you, giving you that certificate, that stamp of approval. It should not lead you to then have an attitude that I am so good, that I can do it all, I need not focus, I need not spend too much time on studies. Just 4 days back, I met somebody from Assam who said that we had an experience where there was just one boy from the entire village who topped the list in the entire district. That was at the secondary level. And because he was the only topper, he got recognition, cash incentives, somebody gave him a bike, somebody gave him new suits, and 2 years later, when he went ahead to appear for a higher secondary examination, he was a total failure. He failed. Why? Because he has been over-pampered. We would like to ensure that whatever help, support, recognition and incentive we offer you, please treat it as something that would be like a hand extended to support you in your journey. Do not turn it into a liability where you think, I am so good, I do not need to even spend time with my books. Friends, we live in a highly competitive world, but I can assure you the rest of the world today has recognized Shillong and Meghalaya for its potential in various fields, especially in tourism, IT, education, healthcare. We have the potential to be numero uno, to be the number one. The choice lies entirely in your hands. I pray a lot of Shillong bidon bersenang di bakau, kiwa dipelihit, lang ikut di zombie, dan dikenal, bahwa ini kesan, kewapi ai, ikut di zombie. Kami dapat investment kalau kau banyak ke investment akan jiman jista ikut di zombie. Kenu kejadian dulu, kekenuhan, kenu kesenang, kalau orang bakal kiew shaphrang, kedai kesenang, kalau kiew, ulah kembian banyak paten bahasa itu, paten bahasa itu bidai ulah kembian ya bidai jadi kata bidai kiew shaphrang dengan betul dapat menerima ya kintian jauh berkau yang berlayar boy na Ireland education is not the filling of a pay, it is the lighting of a spark. Let that spark be lit so that each and every dark corner comes under the glares of sunlight. Thank you, Pleasure Board, appreciate it.